Get ready to be amazed, cause this might just most satisfying is officially taking over the internet. You won't believe what I stumbled upon today. If you highly value smart solutions, you already know that the design is pure genius. It is crafted specifically to make your life much smoother. What makes this so unique compared to ordinary items is that it solves an annoying problem. No more wasting your hard-earned cash on things that break after 2 days. The piece is built tough, highly efficient, and super simple to operate. It is clearly P for anyone trying to upgrade their current setup. Demand is extremely high for this right now. Make sure you don't miss this opportunity today without any delay. Get ready to be amazed, cause this might just most satisfying is officially taking over the internet. You won't believe what I stumbled